Alright, so this is part two. What was going on was my timer had stopped working. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a grinding noise. That sounds much better. The other one was making all sorts of gear noises, sound like missing teeth. So what I had to do was I had to take out these screws right here. And then in the back, I know this is hard to see, but there's a, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a screw there, right by that red wire. You unhook that. And then in there it's hard to see, but there's a screw on that side. And I used this size screwdriver to get them out. And then also, I had to use a ratchet to get these loose. These were a little rusted. So you take these loose, this plate comes forward. I marked the wires. And like I said, I wish I had filmed this while I was replacing it. But as you can hear, it's grinding along, so that's good. That's the old one had just stopped. And this was a 20-year-old put in the 90s, so I hate to get rid of it because it's very reliable. So I hope this video helps somebody out there.